Hello and welcome to My Tech Studio. I am Kesser Zaman and today you will learn how you can insert vertical lines, especially the margin lines on a page in MS Word. In the previous video, you learned the shortcut keys to insert horizontal lines in different pattern in MS Word. You may find videos on YouTube on the same topic. They teach you go to the Home tab, from the Shape section select the line, with the help of Shift key draw the straight line on one side of the page, then again go to the Shape, select the line and draw the line with the Shift key. Now you can see two lines, but these lines are not at equal margin or equal distance from the edge of the page. So this method is not helpful for you and it is a non-professional way. Let's learn a professional and unique method which will give an excellent look to your document. Here on another page, I have some text already typed. Now I will copy this text and paste on the page. But before it, go to the page where you need to insert vertical lines or margin lines. Then from the Insert tab, select the table and insert the table of a single row and a single column. You will insert a table of 1 by 1. You can type text inside the table or can paste the text from other source here. Now click anywhere in the table, you get this menu. In this menu, we have the option of border and shading. Click anywhere inside the table and get this option of border and shading. Select the option of border and shading, you get this dialog box. Here you have the option of border, then the page border, but the first option of border is for table border. These four options represent the four lines of the table: the top, bottom, left and right. Uncheck in the first and the second box to remove the top and bottom line. So you can see the top and bottom lines are removed and we got the margin lines on the page. So this is how you can insert margin lines. Now if you want the text in the justify position, you can justify the text so it now looks very professional, and in a unique way you can insert margin lines to your documents in MS Word. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, take care and goodbye.